Best equalizer settings for Spotify. Equalizer settings for Spotify, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Spotify application. After opening your Spotify, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the top right, and then you need to go with settings. Now, once you're on your settings, you need to scroll down a bit, and then you will find an option of playback. Under playback here on the bottom, you will have the equalizer option. So make sure the equalizer is turned on and do the manual adjustments. Slightly increase the 60 Hz and 150 Hz sliders and boost the bar so that it gives songs a deeper sound. Keep the 401 level balanced to maintain clear vocals and mid-range tones. Raise the 2.4 and 15 sliders to enhance the treble and make high notes sound brighter. If you prefer a quick optimized setup, then choose a preset like pop or rock instead of adjusting the sliders manually. This allows you to instantly apply sound settings tailored to specific music. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.